So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the one-handed mode on iOS 26. And the one-handed mode can be easily used by simply, if it's enabled in the settings. In a moment I'm gonna show you how to do it, but by default I think it's enabled. You can just swipe down at the bottom of your screen, so just like at the very bottom, swipe down, you'll see this. If your iPhone has a dynamic island, then that dynamic island will also move here, so you can easily access it with just your thumb. You can see how easy it is to access everything with just your thumb once you're in the one-handed mode. And to enable or disable it, you'll need to go to the settings, of course. So let's go there. Then I'm not really sure where to find it, so you can simply go to the search bar and search for one-handed. Yeah, I don't really see that option here, so let's try to do it actually manually. I think it'll be in the accessibility, so let's go here, and then physical and motor, and I think touch. Then reachability, yeah, this is how it's called. I forgot. On Android it's one-handed mode, here it's reachability. If that's disabled, you can see it doesn't work now, but if I enable it, it does work. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.